Hello viewers and welcome back to the channel. So in this video we will be covering profit and loss. At first we will see all the formulas and then we will solve some questions as well. So this video is for class 7th and class 8th and for all those students who want to solve the questions of profit and loss. So let's get started. So the terms which we need to learn, which will be included in the formulas of profit and loss, is SP. SP stands for selling price. CP stands for cost price. Loss percent, I will simply write L percent and then you will have to understand that it is a loss percent. For profit percent it will be P percent. For loss L and for profit it will be P. Now, before solving the questions of profit and loss, first we have to decide that in the situation profit is happening or loss is happening. So how we will just understand that? How we will find that? So if CP is less than SP, then in that case profit will be happening, and for the vice versa for loss. Now always we have to subtract the smaller from the bigger one. So in profit SP is greater. So to find the profit we need to subtract CP from SP. So the formula of profit will be SP minus CP. And for loss, since CP is greater, so loss will be calculated as CP minus SP. Okay. Now how profit percent will be calculated? This is profit and profit percent. These two are two different things. Profit will be simply SP minus CP and profit percent will be profit divided by CP into 100 and loss percent will be loss divided by CP into 100. So now let's talk about some other formulas. So if you are given SP profit percent or loss percent depending upon the situation that profit is happening or loss is happening, then you can find CP. And if CP is given and profit or loss percent is given, then you can find SP. We have a direct formula for this. So SP is equals to CP into 100 plus profit percent divided by 100. And if it is loss percent, then you can see the similarity that if it is profit, then we are writing here plus P percent, and if it is loss, then we will be writing minus of loss percent. Okay. So now let me tell you one trick to learn this formula. What you have to do to write SP, at first you have to write SP is equals to CP and you have to place two terms, minus of loss percent and 100. So SP is like supreme. So here in numerator you have to write this longer term, 100 plus minus profit percent loss percent, and divided, and numerator you have to put 100. And for CP, you have to write CP is equals to SP, and here in denominator you have to write this longer term. Okay, so this is the trick. So if it will be profit, you have to write here plus P percent, and if it will be loss, then you have to write minus of loss percent. You can see the formula as well. So now it's time to solve some questions. Here we have to find profit or loss depending upon the situation, and profit percent and loss percent. CP is equals to rupees 1200 and SP is equals to rupees 1350. So first we have to decide that loss is happening or profit is happening. So we can clearly see that SP is greater than CP. So we will be calculating profit because SP is greater. So profit is equals to SP minus CP. SP is 1350, loss is 1200. So the profit of rupees 150. Now to find profit percent, the formula is profit divided by CP into 100. So profit is of rupees 150, CP is 1200 into 100. Cancelled out, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15. So it will be 12.5% profit. Now here we can see that CP is greater than SP. So loss is happening. So loss is equals to CP minus SP. 960 minus 920. So 40 rupees. We will be having a loss of 40 rupees. Now loss percent is equals to loss by CP into 100. Loss is of 40. CP is 960 into 100. 0, 0.
2 to the 4, 2 4, 2 4 is 8, 2 8 is 16, 2 1 is 2, 2 to the 4, 2 4 is 8, 2 5 is 10, 2 is 2, 2 to the 4, 2 5 is 10, 2 6 is 12, so overall 25 by 6%.
So let's solve one more question. The question says a businessman makes a 10% profit by selling a toy costing him rupees 120. What is selling price? So the value of profit percent is given as 10%. CP is of rupees 120, and what we have to find? We have to find SP. So I have tell you the formula that if we have profit percent and CP, then we can directly find SP. The formula is SP is equals to CP into 100 plus profit percent by 100. 120 into 100 plus 10%. We will just write the magnitude, not this percent. This will be 10, 100. And 120 into 110 by 100. 0, 0 will cancel out. 12 into 11. 2, 3, 1. So rupees 132. This is our SP.